In this video, we'll go from this to this using this. Okay, so I installed a YoLink system. Started off with the hub and water sensors. I liked them, they worked great. So I decided to go ahead and install a garage door controller. However, I just bought the controller itself, not the one that includes the sensors. And it's mostly fine without the sensors, but I feel like I'm missing out on something by not having them paired up. So I went ahead and bought the sensor too. So to see how to install the garage door opener and the hub, I have other videos on that, so I'll kind of briefly talk about that. Now for the sensor itself, let's unpackage this little guy. Should be pretty simple. Should be. Okay, so we're going to unbox it. Well, that's interesting. I assumed there was going to be two pieces to it. I assumed wrong. Okay, so anyway, it's got some 3M tape on here to stick it on whatever we're going to put it to. I'm assuming there's a battery in here. Yep, batteries are in there. So, all I should have to do is get this out of the way here. And usually you see a plus sign on adding devices, but this just has a little scanner deal here. It's going to ask you if it's okay to use it, and I'll say only this time. Then we just scan that QR code. And garage door sensor, bind it, and I'll go ahead and put that. Oh, I don't have a garage. Probably need a garage then. Garage. Oh. Garage. Create. Done. Okay, then we'll add garage. Oh, nope. Hit check. Now we'll bind the device. Okay, so it's been bound. It's going to ask us to put it on the garage door controller. I'll hit yes. It is offline at this time. So what I need to do is press and hold this button. And should have done it. Let's see. Yep. Now that I need to go mount this somewhere. Where? I don't know. This is where I probably need redirections. Interesting. So next I just put it on the top panel. Okay, well let's go out to the garage and install it out there. Okay, so I've already cleaned this off up here. And it says just to stick it on there, which I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to put it right there. Hopefully it's not in the way of anything else. It's 3M tape, so hopefully that takes care of it. Next, I will open my app and we'll see what's going on with it. My sensor's offline. I see it blinking up there. Let me try this set button real quick. There we go. Okay, so now it's online. Shows that it's closed. Go ahead and open it. Now it shows open. Now it shows it's closed. Cool, works. That was easy. Alright, well there you go. There's how to install the garage door sensor. Check out my other videos on water, Maybe if you need to replace a panel, I've got one for that on the garage door. What else? And the garage door opener, of course. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.